Hey there, have you ever dreamed of turning your words into income? What if I told you that you could make real money just by writing and publishing books online, even if you've never written a book before? I'm inviting you to join my online coaching program where I teach you step by step how to write your own book, publish it on platforms like Amazon KDP, and start earning passive income every single month. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a story to tell, I'll guide you through the entire process, from brainstorming your book idea, writing and editing, all the way to publishing and marketing it to the world. This isn't just about writing. It's about building a business, creating a brand, and unlocking financial freedom through the power of books. You don't need to be a professional writer, you just need the right support and tools to get started. And that's exactly what my coaching program is designed for. So if you're ready to turn your passion into profit, join me today and start your journey to making money by writing books. Asterisk. Click the link to enroll or send me a message to learn more. Let's make your book dream a reality.
Let me show you how much you can make while writing the books. Let me show you how much you can make while writing the books on Amazon KDP. I'd like us to go through um let me check here. Oh, what to do? Let me choose. Maybe I need it 3 months to show you. Oh, uh, let's come here. I'll show you how much you can make per month if you buy the books with us, and you'll be happy. You'll receive your money every single month. Every single month. This is the payment you already got. So it will be a good thing. It will be a good thing to do. So enroll, and we teach you step by step. We teach you step by step on making money online by writing books and publishing it to Amazon KDP and some other platforms. There are so many. I'll show you how is the process when you are with me. Yeah, this is reality, guys. So better come to the money with us. You will see the charts like this. Like here, we've got 336 clicks, as you can see. Then we spent only 1.22. Then we made 27 orders, and the sales is 439.51 the sales. So you see the charts like this. If you are writing the books, write the books with us, and we'll teach you every step, every process will be with you. So why wait? So give us the go ahead, and we start doing it. We started doing it. No doubt about it. I've tried it. I've tried so many things online, but I've seen the books making my legacy. I would say that I've tried so many things, but writing books has made my life easy. So it will be easy for yours too. Mm, for yours too. It will be easy. No doubt about it. I just I just had to take you step by step, and you will make this kind of money from all over the world. You'll see, you'll make this kind of money uh-huh throughout the world. You'll see this money, this kind this kind of money. You made it. It's possible, guys, to make this kind of money. As you can see here, 2,000. $224.49.93 USD. So, welcome. Give us or visit the website www.bookstall.co.za or give us the email info@bookstall.co.za. We'll get back to you with the price